intro.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be on Arduino project. I'll be showing you how you can control the fan speed automatically based on the room temperature. Before watching this video, make sure you watch our Arduino tutorial playlist, which the link is provided in the description box, particularly on the PWM about DST sensor and the motor driver. Coming to the components, you need an Arduino board, DST11 sensor, L2930 motor driver with enable pin, a 12 volt CPU fan. So instead of this, you can also go for a motor, 12 volt power supply, and some connecting wires. Moving on to the connections. First, I'll be connecting the DST sensor. Positive will go to 5 volt, negative to the ground, and the center signal pin will go to digital pin 2. So in motor driver, I'll be using the motor 1 connection. Input 1 and input 2 will go to pin 3 and 4. So this enable 1 pin should go to any PWM pin. Here I'm connecting to pin 5. So here the pin 5 has the PWM symbol. These two will go to motor 1. And this is for the 12 volt power supply for the fan. So coming to the coding part, we have to write code for, first is DST sensor to read the temperature and print in degrees Celsius, and second is to control the motor, and finally we have to link both of this. Based on temperature, the speed should vary. The DST code is already on the screen. I have explained this in my previous tutorial. You can refer that if you want to know what is happening in the code. Now I'll directly use this code. So up to here, this code can print the temperature values in degrees Celsius. So to this we'll add the motor driver part. So already the DST sensor is connected to pin 2. It's defined here. We need 3 pins, input 1, input 2 and enable pin. So we can declare all of them using int data type. Here input 1 connected to pin 3, input 2 to 4, enable pin connected to PWM pin, that's 5. So we have to make all these 3 pins as output inside setup. Yeah, that's it inside the setup. So finally in the looping section, so we have already the DST code here up to here. Further we have to add if else statements. We have to just check the temperature ranges. So if the temperature is stored in this variable t, so I'll take t inside if t less than or equal to 28, so I'll make the fan to switch off. For that we have to write both input, all 3 pins, input 1, input 2 and enable pin as low. So digital write input 1 will be low, input 2 will be low, and enable 1 pin will be the PWM pin, so we have to use analog write. So even all these things we have explained in my PWM motor driver part. That also you can check out in the link given in the description box. So I'm giving it as 0 here since I don't want a fan to switch on. So this is one case, and if temperature is greater than 28 and less than equal to 30, I'm making my fan to rotate in slower speed. So this will be same. Input 1 will be high and this will be low, and some PWM value, let's give it as 100. And again I'm adding one more condition for temperature greater than 30. So this will be else if temperature greater than 30, we have to make the fan to rotate with its maximum speed. We can use the same lines from here. So digital write, input 1 will be high, input 2 will be low, and the speed should be maximum, means we have to give the PWM value as 255. So that's it, the code, guys. All these temperature ranges just I have given it as an example. You can vary the ranges based on your requirement. So now let's try to upload this and we'll see how it works. I'm opening the serial monitor. So currently the temperature is 28. That's the reason the fan is not rotating as per our condition. I'll try to increase the temperature. Yeah, now it is increased to 29. So the fan is rotating with slower speed. You can see the result here. So I'll try to make it greater than 30. I'm using the phone flashlight to increase the temperature. Still 30 is going on. Yeah, now it's 31 and you can see the fan is rotating with its full speed. And this is how the fan speed is automatically varying based on the room temperature. We'll try to see the reverse thing. So the temperature is reduced to 30 and the fan is rotating in a slower speed. So that's all for this video, guys. For code and circuit diagram, you can visit the link in the description box. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment. For more such tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.